The P0156 code signals a malfunction in the oxygen sensor circuit for bank 2, sensor 2. This sensor, located after the catalytic converter, monitors exhaust gases. The engine control module has detected an issue, indicating a potential problem with the sensor's performance or its electrical circuit. We'll break down how to diagnose and fix this. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine opposite Bank 1 in V6 or V8 engines. Sensor 2 is the downstream oxygen sensor, positioned after the catalytic converter. Its job is to measure oxygen levels after the converter to ensure proper emissions control and fuel efficiency. Several factors can trigger a P0156 code. The most common causes include a faulty oxygen sensor, wiring issues, exhaust leaks, contamination, and upstream problems. A faulty oxygen sensor is the most common cause, often due to wear after 100,000 miles or more. Wiring corrosion or damage can interrupt the sensor's signal to the engine control module. Exhaust leaks near the sensor can cause false readings by introducing extra oxygen. Contamination from substances like silicone or antifreeze can coat the sensor and affect its accuracy. Upstream problems, like a failing catalytic converter, can impact the downstream sensor's readings. Identifying the root cause is crucial for a lasting fix. Begin diagnosing the P0156 code by scanning with an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code and gather additional data from the vehicle's computer. Next, perform a visual inspection of the oxygen sensor located downstream of the catalytic converter, checking the wiring harness and connectors for any visible signs of damage or wear. Use a multimeter to measure the oxygen sensor's voltage signal, which should fluctuate between 0.1 and 0.9 volts, and verify circuit continuity to ensure proper electrical connections. Perform a smoke test by introducing smoke into the exhaust system to identify any leaks around the oxygen sensor or in the exhaust components that could cause false readings. Finally, clear the P0156 code using the scanner, then drive the vehicle to see if the code reappears, which helps verify whether the issue has been resolved or requires further investigation. The most common fix for P0156 is replacing the oxygen sensor. Use an OEM or high-quality aftermarket sensor like Bosch or Denso for best results. If wiring is the issue, repair or replace the damaged sections. Ensure all connections are clean and secure. Proper installation is essential for the sensor to function correctly. Exhaust leaks near the oxygen sensor can significantly impact its readings and trigger the P0156 code. These leaks introduce false oxygen levels into the exhaust stream, causing the sensor to send inaccurate signals to the engine control module. To check for exhaust leaks, carefully inspect the exhaust manifold, pipes, and connections. Look for visible signs like cracks, corrosion, or loose fittings that could allow exhaust gases to escape. To confirm leaks, use a smoke test by introducing smoke into the exhaust system. This professional method reveals leaks that visual inspection might miss, as escaping smoke clearly indicates problem areas. Repairing exhaust leaks is essential for accurate oxygen sensor readings and overall engine performance. Replace damaged parts like cracked manifolds or worn gaskets, and ensure all connections are secure to prevent future issues. To prevent future P0156 codes, perform regular maintenance by inspecting oxygen sensors and wiring for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. Address any exhaust leaks promptly, as they can contaminate sensors and affect readings. Consider using fuel additives to help keep the fuel system clean and reduce carbon buildup. In newer vehicles, check for ECM software updates that may recalibrate sensor readings and improve accuracy.